So let's say 7% of them convert and he makes $700 from one post. Let's say only half of them convert. You make $300 from one post. I found this new method of making money using affiliate marketing in Quora that I want to show you right now. So let's get started. The process is pretty simple. You start with finding questions in Quora that are high in followers and low in answers. So what you do is copy the questions and then go to ChatGPT and get an answer. You're going to copy that answer and then go back to Quora and paste your answer. How we can turn that into money? We're going to use affiliate links. So we're going to go to affiliate products providers, and what we're going to do is find products that are related to our answer to sell to Quora users. There are many providers out there. Those two are some of the most popular ones. So let's say you use JVZoo right now in this example. What you're going to do is filter out using the search keyword tool. You're gonna find products that are related to your answer and then copy their link. Or you can do this in reverse. You can look for questions that are related to those top selling products. Then you go back to Quora and then post your link, right? Wrong. This is a big mistake that a lot of people make. You cannot link your affiliate products directly on Quora. This is against the policies. You're gonna get permanently banned, so be careful. But there is a go around this. What we're gonna use is blog platforms. And what blog platforms gonna allow us to do is direct Quora users to a space where we can sell them on our product. So there's a lot of free blogging platforms, but here are a few that are listed here. So it's pretty simple to use. It's really like a two-step process to create an account and then you can post directly. So what we're gonna do is essentially we're gonna find questions that are high in followers, low in answer. We're gonna answer those questions using ChatGPT, and then we're gonna expand on those answers and make a post, a blog post, where at the end we're gonna link our affiliate products, and that's how we can make money with affiliate marketing with Quora. Here is an example of how this would look like. On here you have a question that has a lot of followers and low answer rate. What you want to do is copy that question and go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT gonna generate two things. It's gonna generate you an article, a short answer. You're gonna go there, you're gonna copy the short answer and come here on Quora and paste your short answer. And at the end, you're gonna say that you're gonna talk more in depth and link your blog. At this point, you can direct them into your blog and sell them your product. So at the end you can say this is the product that I suggest that is related to your answer, and then you're gonna sell them at the end with a discount. So it's that simple. You can get 200 up to 1,000 views. Really depends on your niche, but 1,000 views on here is not that hard because you get a lot of views on Quora. The average price on how much money you can make really ranges a lot from product to product. Here I'm going to show you the top sellers. So let's say from the 1,000 views, you get only 100 users that are really interested in your answer. So let's say 7% of them convert and you make $700 from one post. Let's say only half of them convert. You make $300 from one post. Even half of that convert. Let's say you make $100 from one post. There's a lot of money to be made here, and there's so much potential of using ChatGPT and Quora and affiliate marketing. This is the trick and this is the method. Just keep in mind, you cannot link your affiliate link product directly on Quora. I've seen this mistake so many times. Use a blog platform or any platform that are gonna direct the users off Quora where you can sell them your product. And yeah, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to see more videos like this, and yeah, take care.